In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Paramount Plus with your YouTube TV account if you've subscribed to Paramount Plus as an add-on through YouTube TV. Let's get started. This process ensures you can access Paramount Plus content seamlessly on all your devices. First, confirm that you've already added Paramount Plus as an add-on to your YouTube TV subscription. To check, open the YouTube TV app or website and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. Then navigate to Subscriptions or Add-ons. If Paramount Plus isn't listed there, go back to the Add-ons section and subscribe to Paramount Plus before proceeding. Once you've confirmed your subscription, it's time to activate Paramount Plus on your preferred device. Open the Paramount Plus app on your smart TV, streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV, mobile device, or computer. If you don't have the app, download it from the respective app store for your device. When you open the Paramount Plus app, you'll be prompted to sign in or activate your account. Look for the option that says Already a Subscriber, Sign In, or Activate with a Partner. Select this option and you'll see a list of supported partners, including YouTube TV. Choose YouTube TV from the list. Next, you'll be redirected to a login page where you'll need to enter your YouTube TV credentials. Use the email and password associated with your YouTube TV account to log in. Once logged in, your Paramount Plus subscription will be linked to your account automatically. If you're activating Paramount Plus on a device that requires a code, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll see an activation code displayed on your screen. Go to the Paramount Plus activation website, paramountplus.com/activate. On a computer or mobile device, enter the code and sign in with your YouTube TV account when prompted. After completing these steps, your Paramount Plus app will be fully activated, and you can start streaming shows, movies, and live sports included in your subscription. Remember, you can use the same login across multiple devices, so repeat the activation process for any additional devices where you want to access Paramount Plus. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope logging into Paramount Plus with YouTube TV was easy and straightforward for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.